Okay, now let me do another example. So here we want to factor this trinomial. Okay, and also if every term has a greatest common factor, then we're gonna factor this trinomial using the greatest common factor. So you also want to check that to see if we can use a greatest common factor to solve this problem. Now for this problem, no, we cannot do that way, right? Because 54 doesn't contain x. Okay. So I'm gonna factor this into a product of these two binomials. One is x plus a, another one is x plus b. Okay, now remember we are looking for their relationship. So we said the product between these two numbers, a and b, their product is equal to the constant, and remember you have to include everything. So since this is negative 54, so the product is negative 54. Okay, and the sum is the coefficient of x. It's the number in front of the x. So and also you need to include the sign. So that's negative 3. Okay. And then we are gonna search for a and b from these two conditions. Okay. Now we know because the product of them is negative 54, so a and b, they are both factors of 54. Okay, now let's begin to search for all the factors of 54 to see which two will satisfy the second condition, which is the sum is negative 3. So 1, negative 54, obviously this is not. And let's try 2 and negative 27. Okay, no, this is not. Now negative 54 is not divided by 3, right? Oh, sorry. Negative 54 is divided by 3. It's 3 and negative 18. And the sum is not negative 3, so we continue. Now negative 54 is not divided by 4, so we search for next one. Negative 54 is not divided by 5. So we try 6. Okay, so negative 54, if we divide it by 6, we have 6 and negative 9. Okay. Well, now you see 6 and negative 9, their sum is negative 3. So these two numbers are what we are looking for. So one is 6, another one is negative 9. Okay. So you can say a equals 6 and b equals negative 9. So we can factor this trinomial x squared minus 3x minus 54 into x plus 6 times x plus negative 9, which is x plus 6 times x minus 9.